Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set who can access the shared document in the Google Slides app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up Google Slides. And here it opens up in this view. From here, we just have to find the document that we want to set the access to. Tap on the three dots next to its name, then tap on Manage Access. And here we have general access. You can tap on Change and then tap on Restricted and then set it to anyone with the link. Now, this means that if it is on restricted, only people that have been added to the document can open the document and work on it. And if we set it to anyone with the link, anyone who has the link that leads to the document can work with it and edit it and collaborate. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.